Okay guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be showing you some slime, pink and green. It says on the cups that it's fluffy, so let's see. Oh yeah. And I will make a video that I will make slime and then play with it. And please give me 35 subscribers and get 100 likes on this video. Thank you. Now I'm gonna play the green one. And oh, this one's way slimier. Ooh. Ew. This is sticking to my fingers. So you gotta keep doing that. Ew.
I have no idea.
I've seen it somewhere.
It's been in my fridge for a while. I don't even know where it came from.
Those are the best ones, right?
I'm gonna put it back in.
It might have been. I don't know.
Oh, this is really sticky.
You know, every year at work we do a wine event, and this girl comes from Casa.
This is
and
really
wine, and I usually bring it home.
Actually,
watch that YouTube show Truth or
I'm
Treat?
gonna mix some.
It's good, you should watch it. It's like mother-in-law's play, like ex's play. Or there's another one where it's like a
Oh, look at that color. Oh,
Go in my closet.
mix
All I
them
have is
together.
one bomb. They stretch.
Oh,
Just right there.
let's mix these together.
You're gonna look better than that. It'll look good with that shirt. Those jeans look like crap.
Well,
Go try on a pair.
first of all, my jeans are cruel.
Oh, sticky, sticky, sticky.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
That's like,
Can you please wear a belt?
Oh, this green one is really sticky compared to this pink one. Well, guys, I think we're gonna end the video right there. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.